Pope cuts sanctions to some pedophile priests. Excuse me? Why in the world is he cutting sanctions to pedophile priests? This is apparently by the Associated Press. Pope Francis has quietly reduced sanctions against a handful of pedophile priests, applying his vision of a merciful church even to its worst offenders, in ways that survivors of abuse and the Pope's own advisors question. One case has come back to haunt him. An Italian priest who received the Pope's clemency was later convicted by an Italian criminal court for his sex crimes against children as young as 12. And he just lifts sanctions. The Reverend Mauro Inzoli is now facing a second church trial after new evidence emerged against him, the Associated Press has learned. The Inzoli case is one of several in which Francis overruled the advice of the Vatican's Congregation for the Doctrine of the Faith and reduced a sentence that called for the priest to be defrocked. Two canon lawyers and a church official told AP instead the priests were sentenced to penalties including a lifetime of penance and prayer and removal from public ministry. In some cases, the priests or their high-ranking friends appealed to Francis for clemency by citing the Pope's own words about mercy in their petitions. The church official said, speaking on condition of anonymity because the proceedings are confidential, with all this emphasis on mercy, he is creating the environment for such initiatives, the church official said. Vatican spokesman Greg Burke said staffing in the office of the discipline section that handles sex abuse cases, which has years-long backlog of cases, would be strengthened after Francis recently approved hiring more officials. He has also dispelled rumors that sex abuse cases would no longer be handled by the congregation, saying the strengthened office would handle all cases submitted. Burke said Francis' emphasis on mercy applied to even those who are guilty of heinous crimes. He said priests who abuse are permanently removed from ministry, but are not necessarily dismissed from the clerical state, the church term for defrocking. What in the world? Yet more from Pope Francis. I want to thank you all for watching and listening. God bless and carry on.